Hello everyone, today we are learning about Commode wheelchair by adaptability. Now let's start with opening of the box. TRS wheelchair comes with a user manual to install the machine, 2 footrests, one backrest, one commode body with one bucket and lid. Now we will start the assembling of Commode wheelchair. To assemble the Commode wheelchair, first we have to install this backrest. So to install the backrest, first we have to remove these safety screws on the both sides. Then we have to fix this backrest rails here. You have to do it together on the both sides and then fix this screw. Now we'll install the armrest. To install the armrest, you just simply have to pull this armrest upwards like this, and it's stuck here in this lock. To remove it, you just simply have to pull it backwards and it's removed. Now we'll install the footrest on the both sides. This is a lock system here. We just simply have to put these two side rails over here like this and rotate it to the 90 angle. Once it's clicked, that means it's locked. This Commode wheelchair comes also with rear brakes on both sides. You just simply have to push it downwards and your wheelchair is secure. Now this wheelchair is ready to use.